Today I'd like to talk about something that's very important to us over at 3D Auto Repair. And that's the fact that we donate $1 from every oil change each month to a local area charity. We go through a pretty stringent selection process to make sure that those charities are keeping the money locally, helping out families in our community, and that's an important feature that we really strive to make sure happens with our donation. We hope that there's a charity on that list that strikes a chord in your heart. If there's any questions you have about the charities we choose or the ones we're currently donating to, please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.